and welcome to another episode of Start It Up. Here we break down business ideas to make you understand what it takes to start one. From close-knit and contemporary destination wedding to a big fat Indian wedding, there are at least 2,000 who are tying the knot every single day. In the last year alone, more than 1 million weddings took place in India. The ceremonies could last anywhere around a day to as long as 5 days. Hosts have budgets ranging from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh, going up to rupees 72 crore. Yes, that's approximately the cost of Isha Ambani's wedding. Isha Ambani is Mukesh Ambani's only daughter. Pictures of lavish weddings starting off with Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, among many others, are attracting NRIs and foreign nationals from all over the world. These people are flying in just to have an Indian wedding ceremony. This makes the marriage industry recession-proof and a burgeoning market. As a wedding planner, if you are organizing a full-stack wedding, then you are responsible for almost everything till the very last ceremony. Decoration, catering, clothes, travel bookings, pickups and drops, venue selection, dance choreographer, music and beautician are a few important things on the list of arrangements a wedding planner has to make. To plan a wedding, you can either choose to have a full-time team or hire freelancers according to your assignments. If you plan to be a regular planner who arranges 7 to 10 weddings in a month, then having a full-time team would be a good idea. But for people just starting out, having few projects, working with freelancers would be a better idea. You may also have to work on certain projects like being hired to organize a Sangeet only before you can go on to plan an entire wedding. Delivering the best services to your customers and networking are very important. Before starting your business, it is highly advisable to work with a team and experience the whole process. Some experience is necessary to get into this business. You will have to invest in a good laptop with high storage capacity. This should cost you anywhere above rupees 20,000. For starters, you can either choose to work out of your home or move into a small office or a co-working. Renting a desk in a co-working space should cost you rupees 7,000 a month or more. Everything else is ordered from vendors based on your requirements. So, having an initial capital of anything between rupees 5 lakh to rupees 10 lakh may be required to place orders with vendors. You will need to create a reliable network of vendors for supply, especially for emergencies. Investing in marketing would be advisable once you have organized a few ceremonies and have something to show. Word of mouth recommendations are the best marketing tool in this business. Instagram accounts and Facebook pages are your best friends. Setting up a website would also be helpful. This would cost you rupees 1,500 to rupees 3,000 and you can get started. In the wedding planning business, earnings are also completely based on your clientele and the ceremonies you organize. A full-stack wedding planner can earn between 10 to 15% commission of the total wedding budget. So, for a wedding budget of say rupees 10 lakh, one can easily earn at least rupees 1 lakh. Wedding planning requires creativity, people management, time management and working at unearthly hours. If your caterer cancels a day before the D-Day, you need to step up and fix it. If there is a power cut or sound system is faulty, then you have to handle the situation. You will struggle to build your reputation in the initial years. But once you have showcased your talent and organized fun ceremonies, good word will spread like wildfire and profits will only flow in. Well, that's about wedding planning. Hope you like the idea, and for more such ideas, log on to www.entrepreneur.com.
Liked the video? Then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Entrepreneur India. Hit the bell icon to get notified for more such videos.